Don't use Json.stringify to deep clone objects in JavaScript. This method is dangerous. Json.stringify can only deal with objects with simple values like this one. However, if your object contains complicated values like date, undefined, infinity, regular expression, or even maps, sets, or functions, you will die ugly. Let's run this example. Date became string, undefined disappeared, infinity became null, and the regular expression became an empty object. This kind of error is hard to spot, because no error will be reported. So if you want to deep clone an object, the simplest way is using the lodash clone deep. npm install lodash. For TypeScript, install the additional type package. Then import it and use the clone deep function to clone the student object. Run it again. Now everything works correctly.